screen. Hi students, I hope that you understood how to measure the strength of an acid or base by using pH indicator and a pH chart. We know these acids are classified into strong acids, weak acids, strong and bases are classified into strong bases and weak bases. Then what are acids? If the pH value, that means if the hydrogen ions concentration is 10 to the power of 0 to 10 to the power of minus 7, means its pH value is 0 to 7, that are called as acids. What are acids? The substances having a pH value of less than 7, means 0 to 7. pH value is 0 to 7 means what does it mean? Actually, the strength of an acid or base is expressed in terms of hydrogen ions concentration. pH value is 0 to 7 means hydrogen ions concentration is 10 to the power of 0 to 10 to the power of minus 7. Why? pH value is 0 means hydrogen ions concentration is 10 to the power of 0. In the same manner, if hydrogen ions concentration is 10 to the power of minus 7, pH value is 7. Like that, if hydrogen ions concentration is 10 to the power of 0 to 10 to the power of minus 7, means pH value is 0 to 7, that are called as acids. Okay, that are acids. Then again in these acids, some are strong acids and some are weak acids. For example, if we test hydrochloric acid, if we test the pH value of hydrochloric acid, it attains which color? Red color, dark red color. Dark red color means in the pH chart, its value is 1. That means the pH value of this hydrochloric acid is 1. pH value is 1. H plus ions concentration is 10 to the power of minus 1. Means more number of H plus ions are there. That's why it is a strong acid. And if we test the pH value of acetic acid, in the presence of this pH indicator, this acetic acid attains orange red color. Orange red color means its pH value is 4, means hydrogen ions concentration is 10 to the power of minus 4. Observe, 10 to the power of minus 1, 10 to the power of minus 4. In this, which value is high? 10 to the power of minus 1 is higher than 10 to the power of minus 4. Why? 10 to the power of minus 1 is 10 to the power of 3 times greater than this 10 to the power of minus 4. That's why in a substance, hydrochloric acid, pH value is 1, means that is strong acid, more number of H plus ions. In the case of acetic acid, which attains orange red color, pH value is high, means hydrogen ions concentration is low. That's why it is weak acid. Students, observe one thing, keep it in your mind. The substances which their pH value is 0 to 7, that are acids. But lower is the pH value, higher is the number of H plus ions concentration. That's why that are strong acids. pH value is 1 means it is strong. For example, it is pH value is 0.1. It is strong acid. Its value is low, that's why it is weak acid. Don't think like that. If we think like so, it is incorrect. Why? This pH value is inversely proportional to H plus ions concentration. Okay, that's why lower is the pH value, higher is the strength of an acid. Here in this diagram, two persons are there. Okay, the pH value of first person is 1, pH value of second person is 4. Persons means that are substances. First substance, hydrochloric acid, is strong, pH value is low, that's why it is strong acid. Okay, next, in the case of second person, he is lean, means weak, its pH value is high, that's why it is weak acid. That means pH value 0, 1, 2, 3, that are strong acids. pH value 4, 5, 6, between 6 and 7, that are weak acids. Okay, understand? Like that. Based on the pH value, we can easily express the strength of an acid. Then what about the strength of a base? Observe carefully. The substances whose their pH value is 7 to 14, that are called as bases. For example, take any substance like magnesium hydroxide. magnesium hydroxide, what we call as milk of magnesia. Take some magnesium hydroxide, milk of magnesia, what is used for indigestion, what we call as antacid, opposite to acid, antacid. Okay, that is taken in a watch glass. Add this pH indicator, it attains a color that is matched to navy blue in the pH chart, means its pH value is 10. pH value is 10 means greater than 7. 10 means greater than 7, that's why it is a base. Then is it a strong base or weak base? It is weak base, means higher will be the pH value. Okay, higher will be its pH, its basic nature is also high. Why? Higher is pH value means OH minus ions concentration is high, H plus ions concentration is low. Like that you have to remember, you have to think. Next, take another substance, what we call as sodium hydroxide. Test the sodium hydroxide with the pH indicator and pH chart. It attains which color? Violet color. Violet color means its pH value is 14. If its pH value is 14, that is strong base. pH value is 10 means it is weak base. Okay, that means the substances which their pH value is 7 to 14 means H plus ions concentration is 10 to the power of minus 7 to 10 to the power of minus 14, that are called as bases. Here 10 and 14 means these values are higher than 7, that's why these are bases. In this case 14 means it is a strong base, 10 means it is weak base. Okay, observe one thing, in the case of acids, lower the pH value, stronger the acid. But in the case of bases, higher the pH value, the strength of base is also high. Like that we test. Let us observe the table what we have tested by collecting different substances. In this table, some substances are there. What are that? Hydrochloric acid, its pH value is 1. Sulfuric acid, its pH value is 1.2. If we compare these two substances, which is strong acid? Hydrochloric acid strength is higher than sulfuric acid. That's why hydrochloric acid is strong acid and sulfuric acid is weak. Then if you compare gastric juice and lemon, gastric juice means saliva, and lemon juice, the pH value of lemon is 2 and pH value of gastric juice is 2 and pH value of lemon is 2.3. That's why gastric juice is strong acid, the acid which is present in lemon juice is weak acid. And milk. Okay, if we take milk, the pH value of milk is how much? 6.5. pH value is 6.5. Okay, pH milk it is 6.5 means is a strong acid. 6.5 means less than 7, that's why it is acid, but its pH value is high, that's why it is weak acid. In the case of vinegar, that pH value is given 2.8. Actually it is not 2.8. Okay, it is incorrect. Its pH value is between 6 and 7. That's why vinegar, it is also weak acid. Why? acetic is weak acid. What is the value given in this table? That is incorrect. Okay, correct it. And pure water, it is 7 means neutral. Soft drinks that are present, okay, that are soft drinks, that aerated water, its pH value is 3, apple juice 3.1, that's why these are also acidic in nature. Next, sea water, its pH value is 8.5, that's why it is a base. Strong base or weak base? Weak base. And if we test the pH value of blood, the pH value of blood is 7.2 to 7.8. 7.2 to 7.8 means it is weak base. And if we test another substance, its pH value is 13, that's why that is a strong base. Like that we test the strength of an acid by using this pH chart and pH indicator. Okay, thank you.